Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this mind-blowing transition effect, creating a 3D parallax animation, video animation from a single picture. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first I'm closing this video, going to the next page. Here I already inserted the two pages from my previous tutorial. So I just going to duplicate this second page, removing this small picture without the background, and here I'm going to select the picture, going to edit, magic grab, and just select this object, I mean the woman, and try to select also the shadow. I'm not sure is it working, actually not really working, due to I just try to grab now this, to see what will be grab. Is I cannot use it, can I use it for my animation, or better just leave it without the shadow? Now it's going to take a few seconds. I just would like to see what is going on. Actually, it looks good, so I can go into undo to not really, I think. No, here was also removed. Okay. That's not good. So I have to revert back to the original picture. So go into edit, magic grab, and just grab this, just grab the woman. Yeah, it's sometimes a bit difficult to get what I would like to have. Maybe if I see it before, I can remove this shadow from the original picture. But now it looks fine. But the problem is, you see, I have only the woman, not the shadow. Okay, moving back where she was. So now I can duplicate this page, going between the two pages, add transition, match and move. Set it to 5 seconds, and go into the second page. Increase but actually I can leave here. Increase the size, also increase the size of the woman till the top. And moving back to the shadow, move her to the shadow. Actually looks good. Looks like the pictures working together. Maybe this is not what I want. I can maybe it's more realistic or more nicer when I'm doing like this. Yeah, it's here you can see the shadow is moving out, which is quite strange, or maybe even better if I try to move into the other side. The problem is with this shadow now, yeah, it could be like more parallax if I'm moving to the different directions, but yeah, like this, even removing the, okay, that's even better. So now I'm watching what I'm doing to the preview. So this is the first transition from black and white to color, what we can see in checking my previous video. And here is coming my second one. Something was strange. Why was this small movement here? Try to moving back where she was actually. Now she just a bit up. Now I can use the arrow buttons to moving it. Okay, now it looks better. Just going to check what I did. I didn't realize I moved her, then I didn't have in the same position. Now it looks better, I think. Yeah. Just a few drops was in, that was not much better. Now going to see, this is a parallax effect. Yes, this parallax effect is much better if you do not have these shadows and the movement looks more natural. But I use this picture from my previous tutorial, and I'm just going to continue with this actual tutorial to show how to create a complex video with more than one effect. And now we have a 30 seconds of video. What I did here, actually, I just cut something somewhere here, from here to here. So it was, this part was deleted, this part was deleted, and also the last part was somewhere deleted. It was cut here, and this portion was deleted from this page. Then it looks more smooth, more shorter transition. As you can see, that's only 12 seconds. I made the 12 seconds from the 30 seconds. But this is also depends what you want. Maybe you need this portion longer in the end, and then you can animate some text or logo and everything to here. Just delete just the first part from the first page, and delete from here to just this is actually not even a picture. This is just I mean, this is no animation here. This is just the same picture, which is very long for not nothing, but if you would like to create animation or video for social media, better to cut this middle part. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next tutorial. Ciao.